Hello guys and welcome back to the video, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you from zero to profit how to launch a print-on-demand dropshipping business using Printify and Shopify. So guys, welcome back to the channel and let's actually get into it. Alright, so how can you start a Shopify or a dropshipping business in general? You're going to need two things. As I mentioned earlier, you're going to need to have Printify and you're going to need to have Shopify. All right, so your first step would be to go ahead and open up your browser. So let's open up our browser and log on to shopify.com. So you're going to need an account on Shopify as well as on Printify. So you're going to need those accounts to get started with the dropshipping business. But essentially, before you can actually start dropshipping, you need to know what you're dropshipping. So you need to have kind of like an idea of the best sellers of what sells the most as a dropshipping business. So I'm going to be entering this question into ChatGPT. So it helps us get some kind of orientation or understanding of what we're actually trying to create and work towards making money off of. So let's go ahead and open up ChatGPT. So open up ChatGPT on your end and yeah. Alright guys, so we're now on ChatGPT and we're going to be asking it, what's the best? Okay, so guys, I'm asking ChatGPT, what's the best drop shipping sale product and top performer on Shopify or Printify alongside its maintenance cost and production cost. So we're going to be asking ChatGPT these questions, and once you've entered the question, just go ahead and send it. So ChatGPT, it's now going to take its time, search up the web, find these statistics, and simply give us the output. So now it says here, based on recent data from Shopify and Printify users, here are some of the top performing dropshipping products. So we have unisex t-shirts. So LGBTQ themed shirts actually make a lot of money. The production cost is approximately $9.33 for a unisex heavy cotton tee by Monster Digital. Shipping cost varies. For instance, $0.65 sales task in some regions, as well as a profit margin of 14.97, which yields 50% profit. All right, so this is actually quite interesting to know. So it's unisex t-shirts, shapewear bodysuits, and Frito baby shoes, as well as mushroom chocolates. So we're just going to be going with unisex t-shirts. Now we have an idea of what we are going to be producing or what we're going to be selling. So what comes next as a dropshipping expert or as someone who's new to dropshipping? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to be finding templates. You can get a template of a shirt on Canva. We're going to be using Canva to get templates. Once you've gotten a template of a kind of shirt you want to design, you can then go on to head over to printify.com. So head over to printify.com and simply click on get started. So I already have an account. That's why the my store option is available. So it's just going to force me to log in instead of like setting up an account. So you can just go ahead and set up an account on Printify, and you can do the same for Shopify. So once you're on shopify.com, go ahead and click on the start for free and you're taken to the sign up page. So you can sign up with either Google, Apple, Facebook, or your email. Any of these options would work. So essentially, we're doing three things. We're opening up Canva. So you're going to need an account on Canva. You're going to need an account on Printify, and you're going to need an account on Shopify as well. So go ahead and open up any of them and create an account. So let's first start with Canva as we're getting our templates from there. But since I already have an account on Printify, I'm just going to be showing you what you're going to do once you're logged in. All right, so let's go ahead and reload this page. Alright guys, so with a simple reload, this is what Printify looks like. We have the create and publish 5 products. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on create product. So that's the first thing we're going to be doing on Printify. And also a side note, make sure to connect your Shopify account. So let's head back to Shopify. So on the sign up page, let's just go ahead and sign up with email and whatnot. So once you've signed up with email, I think I'm just going to skip this process so we can kind of like get done with the whole drop shipping. So I'm going to skip this process, the sign up process, but it's quite easy. Just provide your details, or you can watch some of our previous videos on this channel so you can actually understand what you are doing with the Shopify sign up process. So it's quite simple: email, password, and then you tell Shopify what you want to actually sell. So you could sell various things. You could kind of like create various products on Shopify and sell. So we are back on Printify. Just click on create product and it's going to take us to this menu here. So product, design, and publish. So all right, so on the create new product menu, all you need to do is just go ahead and select the best sellers. If you remember, one of the best sellers from Printify was a t-shirt. So just go ahead and click on best sellers and you're going to see a couple of designs you can display your stuff on. So we have a t-shirt. So men's polyester tee. This is what it is. Your design would probably go here or around the entire t-shirt. So let's just go with this option, and it sells from $26, but it's $19.54 on Printify Premium. So we're going to be going with this. So just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to open as this. Scroll to the bottom and click on Start Designing. And it's going to open up the Printify app editor where you can actually enter your design. Alright guys, so once you're on the Printify app editor, you're going to have the t-shirt name, the men's polyester tee. You're going to have the production cost. You can, I don't know if you can edit it. No, you can't. I feel like you can do that on your Shopify store. Remember, we are linking our Printify to our Shopify. You can do that on this menu here. We'll have to head back to our store. All right, so while this loads in, let's head back to Printify. All right, so we recommend using patterns, solid colors on cuffs, collars, and rib, waist area of your design. Double check bleed area of design. Please make sure your design covers the entire print area. Okay, that's good to know. All right, so let's just close this. Now, welcome to the Printify app editor. So we have variants. You can also have a preview here where you can take a look at what your t-shirt would look like on the front, the back, the person's front, the person's right, context, close up, and all that good stuff. So seeing as we're going with this tee, we're going to have to provide an image here, what we want to apply as our image. Remember, ChatGPT told us a lot of LGBTQ themed shirts really sold. So we could do this, or we could have anything random there. So you could go ahead and download an LGBTQ themed shirt or design from Canva. So let's head on to Canva. All right, so once you're on canva.com, where we have what will you design today, select templates and simply search for LGBTQ themed designs, and then simply click on this search. So it's kind of like going to open up templates like this. Beautiful. And then all you need to do is just select a template that you would like to go with. So I guess we could use this on a t-shirt. I don't know how it would look, but just find an LGBTQ themed design from here and simply download it. So let's just select this for the sake of the tutorial. So select the design and then click on customize the template. So once it opens, all right, so once the design opens, just go ahead and click on share at the top right corner and then simply click on download. So we can go ahead and download this, but I feel this design isn't good enough, but yeah, you could use this. So just click on download. Now heading back to Printify, heading to your upload. Upload is at the top left, so click on upload and select my device. And then the downloaded image from Canva can now be simply uploaded into this editor. So once you've uploaded it, head over to your library and then select the design. So I've selected the design, and then Printify is now going to apply this design onto our shirt. So now all you need to do is just go ahead and expand this design to fit into your t-shirt. So this is it, and voila, it looks rather nice in this manner. You could simply extend it a bit and straighten it in so it fills each and every of the gaps that you have on the t-shirt. All right, so once it's filled in the space, all you need to do is head over to preview so you can get a good look at what your t-shirt looks like. And this is quite nice, I believe. It needs some touch-ups here and there, but it looks quite good. So this is what it would look like on someone. And once you've had a good look at your design, just go ahead and click on Save Product. So go ahead and save your product. Don't forget to head back to the Shopify, the Printify dashboard, and simply connect your store. So where we have Add Store, Connect Store, just click on this option. It's at the top here. Click on this and then go ahead and click on Add New Store. And then select Shopify. So a new tab is going to come out asking or requesting that you connect your Shopify. So it says here your Shopify success story starts here. Click on continue and create a new store. We'll set up and connect a store for you. My Shopify store. Let's go ahead and continue again. Create now. How to start on Shopify. So connect with Shopify. So enter your store URL and launch Printify products. So if you already have a Shopify store, all you need to do is just go ahead and paste your Shopify URL here. Just go ahead and paste and simply click on connect, and you'll be asked to log into that Shopify store. And then to complete the setup, after installing the Printify app in Shopify, click below to complete the startup. So just go ahead and enter your Shopify URL, connect your account, enter your password and your codes, and then where we have complete the setup, go ahead and click on I've completed the setup, and you're done connecting your Shopify to your Printify and your Printify to your Shopify. Now all you need to do is just go ahead and change the prices on Shopify. We have that in another tutorial. You can actually change your prices of your products on Shopify. So what's going to happen is your Printify products then be displayed on your Shopify store, which would allow you to change the prices. So guys, that's how you can go about all of this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.